Sometimes friends have a hard moment. But what happened?
I thought we were playing.
We are! Look at this, though!
Yeah, cool.
Luna didn't mean to hurt Milo, but she did.
Wait! Where's Milo? Oh no. I got so excited, I forgot about Milo. Milo, I made my friend sad. Milo, I need to tell you something.
What?
I was wrong. I got so excited about Zippy's thing that I forgot about my friend. And that was unkind. You didn't deserve that.
You just left me... I did.
And I'm sorry. You're my friend, one of my favorite friends, and I treated you like didn't matter.
You did hurt my feelings.
A real apology isn't about making yourself feel better. It's about acknowledging the hurt you caused.
Can we do something together? Just us? I didn't know that Luna was leaving you out because of me.
It's okay, Zippy.
But I want to make sure we all play together. I don't want anyone left out.
That's really kind, Zippy.
Yeah, thank you.
Friendship is about paying attention to how others feel and making sure everyone belongs.
I said something wrong. I hurt someone I care. I didn't mean to, but that's not fair. I said I'm sorry. Now I have to show that apologies mean change, not just words I know. Milo, I hear you. I felt left out too, but saying sorry is what I do. Zippy, I'm learning how to make it right. A sorry with action can bring back the light. Sorry isn't magic. Sorry isn't done in 3 little words. It takes work. It takes time. Sorry isn't magic.
Have you ever had to say sorry?
Or had a friend say sorry to you?
Tell us your story in the comments. Apologies and forgiveness are real friendship.
Thank you for watching our story.
See you on the trail.
We're always here!